Remember the 5th of November. It's a fun day for humans, but can be slightly terrifying for our furry friends.
It can be really traumatic for animals, domestic animals and wild animals. It can really terrify them. So it's a big problem for some animals. It doesn't affect them all, but for a large proportion it's a really terrifying experience.
A lot of animals are really scared by the noise that fireworks make, so people do need to keep their animals safe. I think it's the sudden noise, and obviously once they start can be quite constant and quite loud as well. We're in a lucky position that we're obviously on the edge of the city, so basically the animals here are very rarely affected by the noise.
How would someone with a pet be able to prepare for something like bonfires night?
Best thing to do, make sure that the animal has plenty of distraction, so don't leave them on their own. Make sure that there's plenty of other noise in the house, like television, radio, that type of thing. And make sure that you carry on as normal. So talk to your animal as you normally would, and make sure that you're reassuring them by your presence and by normal activity to try and let them know that there's nothing terrible happening.
Seek advice from a vet if you feel that your animal is going to be absolutely petrified, or maybe move the animal out of, say, a city centre, perhaps put the animal with relatives or friends for the period of time where we get most of the fireworks.
And it's not just the RSPCA who would like to warn residents. Councillor Warren Morgan has said, "As a dog owner, I am well aware of how fireworks can upset much-loved pets. I'd ask people to think about the distress their fireworks cause to pets and consider going to an organised display instead of setting off fireworks at home or in public places. Don't let a bang turn into a whimper this November." This is Caroline Randell for Latest TV News.